Guys, welcome to Hitworks. This time we rigged our brains and came up with an intelligent question. We asked people, name one invention that has changed their life and how. Let's hear what people had to say about that. What is one invention that has changed your life and how?
For me, it will be a camera because I keep on clicking my pictures all the time.
The invention which has changed my life is mineral water.
What is the invention that has changed your life and how?
Viber and Skype for long distance relationships.
I think it's very
I will not name one invention. There are so many inventions that make my life complete. For example, my watch. I'm addicted to it. Without my bag, I won't be able to carry my stuff.
Is tattoos, because tattoos are basically, you can say, it has two purposes. It looks cool and it also personifies what you want, what you really are.
But there's this toilet seat that was invented. I'm not sure where exactly, but it's pretty awesome because when you sit on the toilet seat, it warms your butt automatically while you're doing your business, and it's pretty convenient because obviously you don't want a cold butt either way. So
I think it's the social networking site, which has really made some impact in our life in nowadays.
All the inventions that I have come across till now, let it be a phone or a laptop or internet connection, that is the main life of a laptop or a PC, it has changed my life in a lot of ways. The first word, I don't know whether it is good or not, the dependency that we have on them. If you have a phone, it's a very bad habit to check after every 15 minutes. Do you have a message on WhatsApp? Do you have a notification on Facebook or any of that sort?
ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਰਪਾਨ ਮੇਰੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਮਤਲਬ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੋਂ ਅਲੱਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ, ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਪਾਰਟ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ। ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਡਿਸਪਲਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਘੱਟ ਆਉਂਦਾ, ਮੇਰੀ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸਿਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨੇ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਗਲਤ ਕੰਮ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਟੀ ਜਾਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਟੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਵੇ।
And my ballerina. So without this, I won't be able to walk comfortably.
Daddy, I don't have a new denim. Daddy, I want a denim.
For WhatsApp, when girls send their boyfriends messages and when they read them and then they don't reply, poor thing. God knows उनके साथ क्या होता है, and probably can be the cause of their breakup as well.
That's a quick fix because it meant everything except broken heart.
I think boots and sandals and all these ballerinas with lots of heels have really changed my life because whenever I'm with like taller girls than me, it gives me lots of confidence and it boosts my courage and I don't feel low self-esteem with them.
BBM, BlackBerry Messenger probably because when I don't have Perry in my phone, I can interact with my friends.
One invention I would say the jet in the toilet seats. I mean, it's the best thing that has ever happened in this world. I mean, you don't have to use your hands anymore, and it's more comfortable. It's easy to use.
My life is fast food. You can see from my health how much I love fast food, how much I love eating. It is now my hobby. I try new food, I try new fast food, be it from any place.
Daddy, I don't have a new denim. Daddy, I want a denim.
My shampoo that makes my hair look beautiful.
Yeah, technology is changing every minute, every day in our daily life. So we can't point out a single thing that this thing has changed my life.
Architect is what changed my inventions. Until and unless you don't design buildings, you won't be able to, use space properly.
ਮਿਨਰਲ ਵਾਟਰ ਨੇ ਯਾਰ ਵੀਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਤਬਦੀਲੀ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਪੀ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਮਿਨਰਲ ਵਾਟਰ ਖਰੀਦ ਕੇ। ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਲੋਕ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਜੀ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਹੁਣ ਮਿਨਰਲ ਵਾਟਰ ਦੇ ਸਹਾਰੇ ਜਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਬਿਮਾਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ 2 ਦਿਨਾਂ 'ਚ। ਸੋ ਮਿਨਰਲ ਵਾਟਰ ਇੱਕ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਇਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣਾ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਡਰ ਇੱਕ ਭੈ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ।
Antiperspirant sprays for men that come, which they can use in their socks, in their shoes. Spare us the horror.
Daddy, I don't have a new denim. Daddy, I want a denim.
I'd say internet and Google and Facebook. In fact, the whole package of internet, and I'd say they've changed my life for worse.
It would be electricity. Electricity, because with the advent of electricity, all the households, they are lighted with bulbs and life has become much easier for us.
So, the one invention that changed my life would be. Okay. There are many, but I guess microwave. Because when my mom is not there at home, and there are no servants, so you can always heat up your food and it tastes as good as fresh. So yeah, microwave it is.
I'd say hair curlers and straighteners. Like they give you opportunity to curl and straighten your hair in just any time whenever you want to, and you don't have to go to parlors and all.
Daddy, I don't have a new denim. Daddy, I want a denim.
Because Google has made me the laziest person on earth. I don't pick up books anymore. I know everything's on Google.
So these technologies have influenced and changed our lives to the extent that we have become badly addicted to them. You can leave your room without the most important thing of a notebook or anything that you need in the department, but not your phone. You can drive back to your home or anywhere you need it with you. It is your life. So I don't know whether it is good or bad, but it has definitely affected and changed all our lives. Thank you.
Especially the SUVs and the off-roaders, because earlier it was like really tough to go the different terrains and cover like the destinations that we go today. That wasn't possible earlier, especially.
According to me, it's the smartphone that has changed my life, and that has brought a big revolution to my life. With smartphone, I get connected to the world whenever I want. It makes my world very little, very simple.
This invention that has changed my life is sunglasses. Basically, you know, you can actually browse through all this potential that you have over here. And, you know, you can just look at any girl that you want, you can check her out. And, you know, she won't even get to know that you're looking at her because of your sunglasses.
It is definitely electric kettle. Being a hostler, it helps a lot. People actually adore my Maggie now. I mean, they just love it.
Yeah, you're like somebody from nobody.
Definitely.
Has to be wedge heels. It is so much fun that you walk in heels without feeling the pain in your feet.
पेन एक ऐसी इन्वेंशन है जिसने मेरे जीवन में अब तक का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण परिवर्तन किया है. जो मैंने अचीव किया जीवन में वो बिना पेन के मैं अचीव नहीं कर पाता.
I think it's Facebook because I can connect my friend, I can spy my ex, I can change my pictures, and it's more creative.
Old ancient Indian invention, yoga and meditation. It helps me to remain calm and cool. Every time I was short-tempered earlier, so it helps me maintaining my health as well as to maintain my spiritual connections. It gives me peace and I am very vital and energetic nowadays.
It's on Google and Facebook. It's kind of made me too critical of myself. I am always conscious of the food, how does it look like, what I eat. Wherever I travel, I am always looking for locations to put it on Facebook, and I think I've started enjoying less and thinking more how it will appear on my timeline. So it's just kind of making me too critical, too conscious, not letting me be. So internet and Facebook, they've changed my life for worse.
Daddy, I don't have a new denim. Daddy, I want a denim. So this is the thing. Everyone wants a denim. Just look at it. Everyone wants a denim. Every time. Then why? Because they look cool.
Probably a camera, because I am a traveler and I love photography. So for me, camera was something that I could capture the moments, the best moments of my life.
Hangover cures like pills, aspirin pills, coffee, lemonade, bread toast.
I think it's music, playing guitar. I mean, before playing guitar, I was like, no proper utilization of time, just use this one. And since the day I started playing it, I felt happy within myself that there is something that I do for myself, not for the world. It makes me happy whenever I, feel alone. Pick up my guitar, switch off the light and play. It makes me feel happy. It gives me that confidence, there is something that you do alone to yourself to make yourself happy.